2 points in Excel. 1. Calculate time in and out a full day. 2. How to format full time in cell. Late start. If you want to calculate hours worked for staff, like these example. Here is time in and out in the morning and afternoon. I want to find amount of hours worked. Okay, removed the function on cell. Next, I press equals and type sum function. Open parentheses and click on timeout. Minus sign and click time in. Close parentheses and multiply 24. Comma and open parentheses and click timeout. Minus and click time in. Close parentheses and multiply 24. Last close parentheses and press enter. Click first result and pull down to show the result. After, total rate. Press equals and click hours. Multiply sign and click rate. Press enter. Okay, this is residual salary of staff. First point is done. 2 options. Now I remove this calculated from cells. Next, click on cell, press equals and open parentheses. And click on timeout in the morning. After, click time in and close parentheses. Press plus sign and open parentheses. Click on timeout in the afternoon. Minus sign and click time in. Last close parentheses and enter. Next, select the cells to format time. Click on General and More Number Format. I choose this format to show time. OK, time is format. Now, total rate, press equals and type hour function. Click on hour and close parentheses. And multiply with rate. Plus sign and minute function. Next, click hours and multiply rate. Last, divide with 60 and press enter. Okay, this is the outcome of 2 option total rate of staff. Now I just express here that I press 7 hour and a half and calculate. Press equals and click this hour to multiply the rate. Okay, it's correct. With 2 option is done. Next, how to format full-time in cell. Okay, late start. Hold select the cell to format. And click Format. After, choose Custom. Next, remove text inbox. Press H for adjust hour and write the word hours in the double quote. Press this sign and type M to set minutes. Okay, you can follow this example. Last, press OK. Click on this line and hold click to write. OK, the results show. Follow for more.